back in Ejido Eréndira, across the way from La Bufadorcita. I'm gonna link that up here, but now we'll see if we can fish. Good catch. Camp is ready, day camp. But when I was coming up here, I found something pretty cool. Let me show you. So over there is La Bufadorcita, but I found a Bufadorcita in the making. It's tiny. Let me find. Oh, here it is. You can feel the air coming out from here compared to the size of my hand. Wait for it. Of course you can't feel it, but it's blowing crazy air. Oh, we got a little arch here. This whole volcanic rock formations are so cool. Wow. Oh, and there seems to be a cave there. Yeah. It is a cave of sorts, not very deep. But goes to show that everything under this layer is pretty much hollow. Let's go in. Wow, this is crazy. All right, I'm getting hungry. Let's go get something ready. Just gonna make a simple quesadilla to begin with. Here's the cheese. I think I'm gonna do a little round number 2 of fishing.
Excelente.
Buenísima. Big boy. Look at this. Wow. It's all fossilized. Okay, everybody, that's a wrap from gorgeous Ejido Eréndira. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like this, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.